Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna be show you guys how to delete Facebook friends, multiple friends at one click. So yeah guys, let's just start today's video. So first thing, you're gonna open your Facebook, and then once you have logged in your account, so you can go your main profile page, and this is my Facebook, and you can see there is all my friends that I've recently added in my Facebook. And now let's say I just want to delete my some friends from my Facebook, and you can see there is the three dots. You're gonna tap on it, and you can see there's two option: block this person, unfriend this person. So if you want to block or unfriend, so you're gonna tap on it and it will be unfriend. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.